Up next is Pack 7 of the American Cars collections. I received 4 more cars. Cars number 23 through 26. Welcome back. Like I said before, I received 4 more cars from Deagostini Collectibles. So head over to Deagostini Collectibles and subscribe to this collection today. They are fantastic. These 1 to 43rd cars are highly detailed and really nice to add to your collection. So let's look at the magazines here first. The first magazine we'll look at here is from the Pontiac Firebird from 1982, car number 23. And a lot of research was done to these magazines from Deagostini Collectibles. They are fantastic. We start off with the history of the Pontiac Firebird from 1982. And great article here. Fantastic car. I remember when these came out back in the day. I always wanted one, but I couldn't afford one. And then they give us a nice technical sheet about the car. Once again, beautiful photograph here. Must have been filmed in Arizona here. This picture was taken in Arizona because we have all the swirl cactus in the background. Swirl cactus only grow in the Sonoran Desert, which comprises of Arizona and Mexico. New Mexico does not have that cacti, neither does California. And they give us an article about the Knight Rider kit, which was this era from 1982, 83, 84. And Thelma and Louise, The Conquest of Freedom. So once again, nice article about that. And 4 pages of that wonderful Ridley Scott movie. And which was parts of it was filmed in Arizona also. And then what was going on in the news from November 30th, 1982. Thriller, a spine-tingling smash hit. I remember that music video was fantastic. I'm a big fan of Michael Jackson. Always have been and always will be. So that's for 23. 24, well, they give us a magazine that highlights the Plymouth Road Runner Superbird from 1970. And just kind of show you, I'm not going to show you the entire magazine because you'll have to subscribe to this to look at it yourself. But that Plymouth Road Runner Superbird, or the Superbird, is fantastic there. Yep, Road Runner is the correct term there, right? We have the little Road Runner symbol right there. So, and the next car we received is car number 25, the Ford Maverick 2-door sedan. And let's look at the beauty shot for that. So wonderful there. And lastly, the Chrysler 300 Hurst from 1970. What a big car, right? And had the Hurst shifter mechanism built into that. Hurst equipped, as they called it. And there you go. So let me get the cars out and we'll look at these. And I like to shoot this video like a live video with very little edits. So we'll zoom in on these 4 cars. Like I was saying, we have the Firebird, Plymouth Road Runner, the Maverick, and the Hurst Chrysler 300. All right, let's go ahead and look at the Firebird first. Zoom in on the Firebird. And just as before, as always, they give us a very nice display case with a wonderful background. Looks like Miami in the background there with all the palm trees. And we'll get a closer look at this. Let me take it out of the case real quick. And take the cover off here of the case. And there you have it. Comes with T-tops on top. Then they are translucent. You can see through them. That's wonderful there. California license plates on the front. And you have that distinctive nose that the Firebird had, and which is what Kit had. The Kit had a modified nose, as a matter of fact. But you know, some of the movie cars or the TV show cars did have the gold striping on it that they painted over. So just like the TV show in this case. Wonderful. It has a black interior. I think it's fantastic. Okay. And there it is. So let's go to the next car. The next car is the Plymouth Road Runner Superbird from 1970. And I love the color here. Fantastic. The background is from Las Vegas, obviously. The Dunes Hotel, right? Casino. Take the cover off. And right away I noticed the vinyl top, the black vinyl top, the antenna. The graphics on this is fantastic. Superbird graphics. Roadrunner, and the graphics on the front where the headlights go, retractable headlights, windshield wiper blades, look at the wheels, front spoiler, that's fantastic there. I love it. This is a great looking car. Dual exhaust in the back. Wow, it's a very nice car. Wonderful. All right, let's go look at the next car. This time is the Ford Maverick two-door sedan from 1973, and I remember seeing a lot of these on the streets. And very popular car in the day, very popular family car, even though this is a two-door version. But I do like the color of this, the red with the silver striping, the silver wheels and such. Let me take this out and we'll get a closer look. And here we go. And wonderful finish on this. I love the windshield wiper blades, the driver's mirror, license plate, the grill work, wonderful. Very nice. Hard top, of course. Single exhaust, right? Because this wasn't really a hot rod back in the day. More of a family car. Fuel economy, I would say back in this time frame, 1973, we were going through the fuel shortage, and people were lining up at the gas pumps in this case. So this was Ford's answer to fuel economy and all that with their cars. So it's fantastic. Very nice one to add to the collection. Let's look at the last one for this pack. And the last car, car number 26, the Chrysler 300 Hurst from 1970. And this one is great here. We got view of the hotel. Looks like it's out in California there somewhere in the background there. Let me take the cover off, get a closer look, and there you go. So it's almost an off-white with gold striping on the hood. I love it. Has all the Hurst components built into it in this case. I like the accents on the wheels and the rims. Has the gold accents there too. This has a double dual exhausts coming out the back. Single taillight cluster. I love that. Right? Has a doesn't have really. It has like a flip up on the back, but it's not quite a spoiler. That's really cool. The intake on the hood, very mild. Hidden headlights. I mean, that's wow. I've actually never seen one of these on the street before, so it's kind of an unusual car. It is a big car, but I'm sure it was very popular with all your Chrysler fans out there. One of the first Chrysler 300s to come out in this version right here. Tan interior. Windshield wiper blades are hidden behind the hood, but I love it. It's very nice. Okay, so let me get all of them out here and we'll do a review real quick. I'll be right back. And there you have it. That was a review of Pack 7 from the Deagostini Collections American Cars Collection in 1/43rd scale. Fantastic. Head over there. I put a promo code and a link down below. I would suggest you start your collection today. We're all the way up to car number 26. I have Pack 8 in the wings, it's here, so you'll be seeing a review of that very shortly. If you like my content, please subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up. With that, happy modeling, everybody, and take care.